Alright, so before I go in to this cavern, and my attitude goes south, I wanted to cover what I'm gonna do as far as all these repairs. Everything's done, finished. We had the third party for the plant QC come through, and there's a story with this guy, and hopefully it'll develop as the video progresses. But found some real iffy calls. Got to add a couple plates, add some weld, and mind you, these are to some gnarly spots. So let the journey begin. Alright, so here's our first missing weld right here. We got this, but where that plate comes up, this is 1/4 inch plate above us here. So this is the floor, the skin of the inside of the duct right here. It connects to the old duct right here. Let me zoom back out. I'm gonna zoom out and you guys will see how tight of a spot this is. I can't get a good... Okay, so that's old duct, new duct. Connects with this little slip flange here, this rolled angle. This goes down to the support inside the building. So let's make that weld. Oh, let me try this. Maybe we can turn. Pretty small spot. Some light here. Here's the ground. Here's the roof. Ground, roof, me. So let's get fired up. "16 inches. That's 8-inch C-channel. 8 inches, so no, 10 inch. So 26 inches here to work with. "16 inches plus the 10 inches, 26 inches. So just a quick shout out to all the work that's been done under here. I mean, these guys nailed it. There's a lot of work under here, and they did a great job. So I mean, this is some tight corners here. I mean, good job, guys. Nailed it. Alright, not too bad. Hope it all goes that well. Alright, so that many rod later, I got that. That's the easy side. So try to get a view of where I gotta get. Oh look, the camera fits in there nice. That's all that fits. not too bad. That's our final weld. All right, here's the next one. Let's just follow me here. Oh, yeah, that's it. That's it, right in there. So that's probably, oh shit, I don't even know, 1.5 inch wide gap right here. Fuck, it's gonna be fun. So I'm gonna put a tape measure on there and we'll look at it. It's gonna be a tough weld, but it's gonna be doable. Tough, but doable. All right. So I think we caught a lucky break. That's a pretty straight shot. We might be able to just get that in, no problem. So I wished it looked better, but I mean, look how much, this is all I could, I mean, these are the rods I use. These are the stubs. All the stubs I use. Let's line them out here. Two of these weren't. That one's not. That one. That one. These are the stubs for the weld. Right here. Those are damn near, well, let me put a full rod next to it. You can see what I got out of each rod. Let's get that one out of here. So, that's a full rod. Those are the stubs. Let's make that weld. Ah, fuck. Let me get my light up here. Those are the stubs to make that weld. I'll zoom in. It's rough, I'm not even gonna lie. That's a hell of a tough spot though. Hell, we're not even seeing it. There it is, right there. That's the weld. So that's 4 inches deep that way, 4 inches, and that's an 1.5 inch gap right there. And I got 26 inches of headroom. So it's tough. It's tough. I got it. That'll pass inspection. Anyway, you can't even see me. We're gonna try to make lemonade. Trent. Hey, so I'm under here, under the duct. Come to find out, that picture that we thought was just 2 pictures, that's 2 different clips. The second one is like real tight. I'm wondering if I can cut that angle. Excuse me, cut that angle. Just one side of it so I can get to that weld. Otherwise, we're gonna have to get real creative.
Yeah, but that angle is, you got the clip welded to it too, right? That goes up underneath the angle iron?
Yeah, I'm talking about cutting opposite of the clip.
The angle that's welded to the shell?
Yes.
But that angle that's welded to the shell's got a clip that's on it that goes to the bottom of that rolled angle, right?
Well, that's what I'm saying. I'm gonna, I could cut it and replace it, but let's see, I got one right here. Okay, so it sticks off of the shell, straight off 90 degrees, and then it bends out 90 degrees, right? Makes that 90. The part that's welded to the shell has the clip on it. The part that's blocking is the part that 90's off of it. Cut that off and replace it would be an option.
Yeah, it seems like it'd take longer than, you know what I mean?
I got about a 1/2 inch hole to stick a rod in is what I'm looking at.
Could you rod in there yet?
You know me, Trent. I stick my rod anywhere I can get it.
If we break the flux off most of the end and put some tape on there, that way it don't arc out. It might take you a few rods.
All right. I'll see what I can do. If it comes down to it, I'll take a picture of it. I'll bring it out to you, and we can review some other options.
Okay, 10-4.
Looks like I gotta eat lemons. All right, so this is 3x4 angle right here. 4 inches, 3 inches. I can't even fit my flashlight, mini mag light, into the hole. So I think it's 1 inch. That's a 1 inch gap right there. 1 inch gap, 4 inches deep. There's a weld. I can't, the camera, I mean, can you see that? I don't know. I can't even tell what you're seeing. Yeah, that's it right there. You're looking right at it. That's the weld I gotta make. So, shit, if I could get that kind of view on it, I could weld it. That makes it look easy. Yeah, so this one's gonna be real tough. Real tough. I think I might be able to get it though, so I'm gonna have at it. Like I said, I gotta eat my lemons on this one. I was asking if I could cut this off and re-weld it, but they got their reasons to say no, so here we go. I know you can't see shit, but I'm doing it. I'm stoked. I'm getting about ½ inch out of one rod, but I can weld a half inch at a time. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, I'm doing it. Oh yeah! Yeah, buddy. I was able to use more rod than I thought. Sweet. So I'm gonna finish up just like that and win. Pretty stoked. It went in. Not too bad. We'll see what it looks like. 15 minutes is all it took. So actually, as the weld got easier to make, the position was more uncomfortable, so balanced out quite nice. Went in good. Like I said, I'll chip it. We'll look at it. As fucked up as that was, I'm pretty happy with how it turned out. Let's do that hole right there. I'll zoom in. A little fucked up. It ain't great. Not super proud of it, but I gotta go. My battery's dead, so 2 hours under here. Couple of repairs. Miss welds. Anyway, the story will come later. Anyway, peace out.